The story of my driver's license. Cars and my passion to drive get me tempted to get my driver's license. I was born and grew up in the city of Tehran, where the traffic is hectic and drivers drive like crazy. They don't follow the rules. Stop signs and footpaths are totally ignored. Cars usually overtake and change lanes without signaling. The main streets are crowded with people and noisy cars honk most of the time. With this clear picture of the streets in mind, I signed up in a driving school. Well, the driving practice was especially hectic for me because my mother was sitting at the back seat of the car and judged me for every single mistake I made. A couple of times when I didn't get the instructions right, she whacked the back of my head and yelled at me, "Oh my God, honey, listen, watch the cars. I'm so disappointed in you. How many times did you do it wrong?" Well, my mom kept talking and made my instructor lose his patience. He finally got fed up and told my mom, "Ma'am, I'd appreciate it if you stayed quiet and let my student follow the instructions. Otherwise, I will have to ask you to get off the car." After that, the lesson times became less crazy. I got ready for my road exam and proudly got my first driver's license. Interestingly, the story of my driver's license restarted many years later when I came to Canada. This time, though, practicing was much easier because of Ottawa's quiet streets where driving rules are practiced and respected. And because my mother was not sitting in the car with me. Luckily, in less than a month, I got my Canadian driver's license. But wait, the story goes on when my mother decides to get her Canadian driver's license too. Funny enough, this time it was my turn to sit in the car with my mom. Don't be mistaken though, I did not make her feel stressed or embarrassed. But gosh, it was so precious to see my mom carefully peeking through the mirror to check on me. One thing she did not know for sure was how much I enjoyed the ride.